For many high performers, achievement is no longer simply a pursuit of excellence. It becomes an armor. The titles. Each layer covers the fear of being ordinary, replaceable, or unseen. On the surface, this armor looks like strength, yet beneath, it often lies a nervous system running on constant alert, scanning for threats. Armor is heavy. It consumes energy to maintain. Every presentation must be perfect. Every email must signal competence. Every silence must be filled with productivity. Over time, the achiever forgets what it feels like to act without armor. Authentic expression becomes risky because the identity is tied not to being, but to doing. The tragedy of this pattern is that very qualities that once created success, drive, focus, high standards, become the prison bars of burnout. What was armor against vulnerability becomes a cage of exhaustion. The nervous system built to respond to challenge and then recover remains in a perpetual state of defense. This accelerates breakdown. The turning point comes when the achiever realizes the truth. Identity does not require armor. Excellence does not need constant proof. Value is not demonstrated through exhaustion. When the armor loosens, energy returns, creativity expands, relationship deepens, and the body heals. True resilience is not found in thicker armor, but in learning to move without it. Freedom comes when success is redefined, not as the absence of weakness, but as the presence of wholeness.